Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off Speak Keyboard Input Aloud function in our Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to look for this option and how to turn it off. First of all, how does it look like? So, when we have our message and we are trying to write something,
GFT.
as you can see, we have our spoken keyboard input assistance turned on. How to turn it off? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options right here, and in spoken assistance, the top option is speak keyboard input aloud. As you can see, it's turned on, so we just need to turn it off, back out, no need to save, and now our keyboard is silent once again. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.